might need a doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a pop.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a day in my life as an HBCU college student during COVID. So I'm basically just going to be taking you guys with me throughout my entire day so you can see, you know, what it's like to be on campus during a pandemic. So before I get started with this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. All right, y'all, so I just finished all 3 of my Zoom classes. So I have 3 classes that are online, and then I have another class that is asynchronous. So the asynchronous class is basically a class that I don't have a Zoom meeting for. We're supposed to meet with him on Mondays to check in, and it counts as our weekly attendance or something like that. But I forgot to do that. But yeah, I went ahead and I finished up my classes for the day. And the thing about having online classes is it's really hard to get up in the morning. So sometimes I have to force myself to get up and like get cute in order to even get anything done. So I decided to force myself to get up, get right, and get everything done for the day. I don't think I have anything due. Oh, I do have stuff due tonight. Okay, I have stuff due tonight, but like I'm not gonna do it right now. I have stuff due tonight, and I'm probably gonna do that when I come back today. The only thing my day really consists of is getting up, doing my classes, and then I'll usually find something to do with my friends, but that's not an everyday thing because there's not always something to do. I might get out today. I'm actually gonna get dressed today. I'm gonna get dressed today and I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna see, you know, what's going on. All right, guys, so I just got to Foster, which is basically where we go to socialize and, you know, eat and get our food and all that. And usually it's more social, but since we are in the middle of a pandemic, we gotta put our masks on and stick.
A panoramic. A pendulum.
I'm a
pendulum. A pencil sharpener.
We do have to wear we do have to wear masks and stuff, and we can't be all up on each other like we used to. So hopefully we have a decent time in here because it's hot outside. Everyone want to get outside, get cute.
Hey everyone.
Everyone want to get outside. Everyone want to get outside, get cute. So hopefully there are people over here.
Hot out here. That car looks familiar.
Cause it feels good outside, bitch. It feels excellent.
Hi everybody, it's Danny.
No, it's not.
Ah!
So yeah, y'all, we're just walking across. Over here.
Now we gotta do the white people, what they do.
Who's calling me? Scan my quick. Hello. No! Scam call. Always alone. A drink, to be honest. Probably for wine, so we gotta stand it. But yeah. Definitely thought it was gonna be more like going on. I'm not gonna hold you.
Definitely not.
Yeah, not at all actually. Not even a little bit. Good. Alright, y'all, so Foster was boring. There's nobody in there, and the line is super long. And I don't want Chick-fil-A that bad to wait in that super long line. So we're just out here walking. Usually there would be people out here walking, but there's no people out here walking because it is barely anybody on campus because we're in the middle of a pandemic. To do what? Yeah. Honestly, COVID really ruined college.
COVID, yes, did ruin college.
I feel like all the people who are here are basically wasting their money because you don't get to experience anything that regular people get to experience. Yeah. I've been to not one party. I've been to not one anything. I've barely even been on campus.
And she lives in the campus apartments.
Yeah, I literally live down the street. And I barely come over here at all.
This shit wet. Is that James? Oh shit, it's James! It's James! Hi, everyone! Who's that? Morgan? Oh.
So you can see yourself?
It's hot out here.
Y'all want to be in?
What is it?
This is a vlog. I'm on YouTube.
Hey!
Yeah.
What are y'all doing?
Chilling.
This shit's wet.
Yeah.
Because Perry gonna shut down anything that anybody try to do.
Yeah. Alright, we're taking our masks off because there's literally nobody on this campus at all. So
And we've been with each other for
like
days.
weeks.
So if we gave
A
each
week
other
and a half.
COVID, then we been here, baby.
Yeah. Big cove. That's not funny. But yeah, people actually wanted to see more college vlogs on my channel. Like, I've seen so many people say that, but I was like, I'm not doing anything. What?
Williams, yeah.
Yeah, if y'all were wondering what is there to do on a
We go
HBCU
for
campus,
walks.
we go on walks in the middle of a pandemic.
In the middle of Panamania.
And literally, when I tell you there would be like hella people out here, if this was regular life, there'd be so many people out here.
Yes.
There'd be like groups
Music
of people,
playing.
music playing, niggas dancing.
Boys on the
You can say
yard.
niggas dancing.
Coming. DJs in the cab. Yes,
Yeah.
DJs in the cab, bro.
Crazy.
Bitches out here in mini skirts.
If you're wondering if you should come to school during COVID, don't come.
Don't.
You're gonna waste your money because you don't get to have fun, and the fun is more important than the education.
Behind
Behind
the building.
we're going.
Remember?
It's a very illegal way to cross the street.
We're going diagonal around the building.
Literally. Yo, look how cute I am in this little mask. It's Danny's.
It's upside down.
It is?
Yeah, upside down.
Oh,
Oh shit,
it looks cuter like this.
No, it doesn't.
I swear.
What the fuck?
Looks 10 does.
No, it was the other side.
Yeah.
But yeah.
What was your side of it?
I said, hey, Jay, everything you want. Yeah, nah, I don't wish you well.
I'm going out with me. That sounded good, little kid. Yes, it was. I don't wish you away.
You ain't with me.
You ain't with me.
Ew.
That was good.
No, it wasn't.
Sarah.
No.
No.
Are you serious?
No.
I was projecting my voice like Ashanti.
No.
I mean, fuck. Alicia Keys.
See, that's why you shouldn't be singing there.
Y'all are haters.
The truthers. Don't hit me.
Don't get touched.
What?
Yeah. So my classes are online. I can pretty much do my work whenever I feel like it, as long as I get it in before the due date. But yeah, depending on where we'll go, I'll get back in touch. Alright guys, so I'm back in my room now, and I'm kind of just gonna unwind for the night. Like I said, there's really not that much going on, so I'm probably just gonna chill and cook for the night. I'm gonna take a shower. You see I got my waist trainer on. I'm trying to get some naps because summer is coming up way too fast, so I need to get my body together. I gotta get right. So basically all you're probably gonna see me do for the rest of the night is cook and do some homework. Maybe, I think I have a test. Yeah, I think I have a test due tonight, tomorrow, whatever, it's due. But yeah, that's about it for tonight. So I'm gonna take you guys to do all that with me. All right, so basically to start my night off, I'm usually finding something on YouTube that I want to watch. So I'll just go to my page. I'll watch like Saber Spark or like something tea drama related. Yes, I like tea and drama pages. I don't care. I find them very entertaining. Just a bunch of videos with people, you know, talking, or some people that I already follow. A lot of Rick and Morty stuff in here. But yeah, so that's pretty much how I'm gonna start off, and shower and pretty much just enjoy the rest of my night. Alright, so I just finished my shower, so now I'm about to do some work, and after I finish doing my work, I'm going to cook and pick my cute little outfit. Got this from Walmart actually a year ago, and I was like 10ish, maybe 20 pounds lighter when I first got this, and I'm surprised I can still fit it. Ignore all that on my sink right there. I definitely need to clean up like really bad, but I'm gonna do it eventually. So yeah, right now I have deep conditioner in my hair because I did decide to wash my hair in the shower. It just looked a little crazy, but yeah, that is about it. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my homework and then cook, and then I'll go to sleep for the night because I do have to get up and I have class. Guys, so I just got finished eating and now I'm about to go ahead and do some of my work that I have to do for the night. I do have some things due tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock those out of the way, and then oh, I dropped my laptop, and then I'm going to be going over to the dorms to stay with my boyfriend, but I have to sneak in because due to COVID and all that, technically we can't have, you know, visitors or anybody that doesn't specifically live in the dorm. So I'm on a mission to sneak in. I mean, I usually do because for some reason they think I live there and he doesn't live there. So usually when I walk in, they leave me alone and they ask him like, hey, do you live here? And then he has to prove that he lives there. Anyway, so yeah, once I'm done doing all of my schoolwork, then I'm gonna be heading over there and seeing if I can sneak in. I might let y'all watch me pack my spend the night bag. Oh wait, I don't have a spend the night bag because I left my bag over there. Whatever. Alright, so I'm about to leave. I got my mask on. A VSU mask, so I look real VSU-y. I know a lot of y'all probably gonna be like, oh my gosh, why did you break the rules in the middle of a pandemic? Honestly, I think that rule is stupid because if we hang out together most of the day, one person in your room should not be a problem. Like if you're having a party in your room, cool, whatever, but I feel like one person in your room should not be that big of a deal. But that's just me. Y'all can disagree with me if you want to, but whether you coming to see me over here or I'm coming to see you over there, either way, we're in the same general area. I made it. I'm here. I made it. But yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, I got Danny to let me in, so she let me in. My lips are so dry right now. But yeah, I got Danny to let me in, and now I'm probably about to go to sleep. Alright guys, so that was a day of my life, and I hope you guys like this video. And if you did like this video, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you guys want to see more like college related videos, even though nothing's really going on, but still let me know. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.